Well guys, it's been a fat minute. As you guys can see, I actually extended the garage about 6 feet. And it's a lot wider now. But here's Kona and all her greatness. As you guys can see, I got different seats. I need to like get a Sharpie or something to color those in. It's got suede middle. I got black interior. The lead seat, back seat deletes almost, and then the nitrous line. And I got the tune for it, as you guys said in the last video. But like, that looks super clean. And guess what? We are gonna be changing the taillights on Kona here to the 13, 14, boys. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking them off. What's the last time you'll ever see the 10 through 12? Oh no, sad day. Alright, fellas, what do we need to take out, Gina? I spilled all my tools. Let's see. Alright, so it looks like we need to take this grill out. Looks like 4 clips and damn. Break it. Alright. Woo. Hey, there we go. Oh, I'm hitting the bike. Need to keep these in a safe spot. Undo the clip. Two out. Oh, I hate stuff. There you go. Oh, okay, so 3 bolts. Cool. Wow. Alright, she's going in.
Didn't
fit to the hole.
Yeah, fuck.
There it is. She's in. And to see, can you see the little gap here? Here's a little gap that American Muscle sells for $75 to get rid of that gap. But honestly, it doesn't look that bad. It really doesn't. One. A 2. And a 3. And ugga-dugga with 1, 2, and I'll use my ratchet. And that's tight. That's one side. Seven, do you want to go hit the brake for me? And let's see what she looks like. Oh god, that looks so good. I didn't plug it in. That's one thing I gotta do.
Which one's the brake?
The big one. Oh. Oh, Stefan. Oh god, that looks so good. All right, next side. Alright, so let's put the plastic back on somehow, some way, some shape or form.
Whatever.
I can just do this. Oh! Oh, man, that looks so good. Oh, what happened there? Oh, there it is. I need LEDs now, don't I? That looks so freaking good. God damn, boy. Jeez. Yeah, that makes the whole car look so much better. Well, guys, that was the install. I mean, it was super easy. And guys, I bought these seats off of eBay for like $2 something, and they really fit the car pretty well. Seat brackets were perfect, no alignment issues, and the car just looks 10 times better with an actual black interior. I didn't paint it. I actually bought it, 150 bucks. Well spent. Got a really good deal. Then I got some new tires. I think these are 245. No. Yeah, 255 45 18, and then 275 40. Sumitumos, Sumituma, whatever you want to call it. But now I need some new headlights. But I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.